Hi guys, today we will talk about how to add two-factor on your Messenger app. We will go to figure out this solution or know how you can do that on your Messenger app. All you have to do, you just go up, you click here on app, then it's going to show for you a window like this, and you just go up, you click here on this mark settings, then it's going to take you to next window here, and you just go down here, then you click here on personal details, then it's going to take you to next window here, and just go down, then you come here to password and security, then you click here on two factor, you will click here and you will click on your account, and here you add password and you click here on continue, and it's going to add two factor with you. So that's all you have to do to add the to factor on your account. I wish now you are get it. Just follow these ways and it's going to work with you.